Hi guys, welcome to the Cooking with Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the icing sugar mix with the water. So let's see how we're gonna do it. First of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. So let's see what are the ingredients we needed for this. 150 gram of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and I got some coloring to color it up. So what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 drop of vanilla essence, whichever color you want. So you make sure you use the cold water, but do not add the hot water. So then you can whisk it or you can mix it, you can use the egg beater, it's up to you guys. So now I'm gonna use the spoon. See, it's still not sticking, and me mix it properly. So actually, you use the two tablespoons of water. You can use the milk castle if you are happy to use milk. So see the thickness. See, that's how it needs to be. You can see that this is not gonna stick to my hand. So I can rip it off, and so that's the perfect texture. As you see, as I said to you, 150 gram of icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of water and 1 drop of vanilla, any color you want. So you're gonna get the result like this. So what I'm gonna do, that's how we make the icing mixture with the water. This icing mixture to garnish up the cakes or hot cross bun, or sometimes muffin, cupcakes, or whatever you want. So I use the cupcake to garnish it up. So that's how I did the garnishing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this one helped you to make the icing mixture with the water. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye.